Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arsenal. Another dining set, six-seater, white and gold paint, and this one also going to Bangalore. Bangalore is our biggest market, and we have been delivering and we have delivered to each and every corner of Bangalore and every kind of unit that we can think of. Bed cots, almiras, dining tables, sofas, temples, and whatnot. And the variety, the designs, the colors from Bangalore, we have made all kinds of possible designs and colors that we have done so far for Bangalore itself. That's the kind of work we are doing in Bangalore. So far, we don't have any showroom or outlet there, but soon, hopefully, we'll have a few outlets in Bangalore itself. For the time being, everything is done here in Saharanpur, and we are delivering across the globe. Now, this one is a six-seater dining. The size of the dining is 6 by 4 feet. The height is 30 inches, and it has got six chairs without the concept of a master chair or a king or queen chair also, they're called. Master chair is the one that has got handles on the sides. Now, if you look at this chair, there is no handle on the sides. So once we have the handles, it becomes a king or queen or a master chair, as people call it. Generally, the master chair is on both the sides, that side and this side. Now, this is a set that we have, and the color, the fabric, and the shading is as per the client's choice. Let me show you the chair first. It's a wood heavy chair. Okay, this is the chair, and it has got nice carving at the back. And this has doesn't have a cushion at the back. This is full wood, and the seat is cushioned. With the white and gold highlighting, you get a different look. White is a very subtle color, but very royal. The most royal theme has the white concept, and with the gold highlighting, the carvings tends to get a little uh, visible a lot more than a simple white color. And this is a single carved chair. The back of the unit is plain. Here you can see it has got a plain back. So carving on the front and plain on the back. And the sitting area is quite wide. So for easy sitting, The other thing is the curve on the back of the chair. This is got like this. So it covers the entire back and is very comfortable to sit on. And with the straight back, you have the right posture to have the food and the meal. Moving on to the table design. This is the design of the table we have, and it has got a carved top. So the entire top has got nice carving, and you would require a glass on top of it. Once you have the glass, it's ready to serve. And the design on the sides, on the legs, on the top, everywhere, you see light but very beautiful carving. This is not a heavy design as per our standards, in fact, because we love carving, we are carving people. This is a light design, but the work is very beautiful and very subtle and nice. So if you're looking for something simple in carving, this type table can be considered. The design on the chairs, as you see, is a little heavier as compared to the designs on the table. So if you want a little less carved, that can also be done. The fabric, the color of the unit, the design, the sizes, all is as per your choice, because Arson is making personalized furniture. By personalized, I mean yours, your choice, your color, what you like. And this is one thing that is very difficult to get, because in normal stores or local store, when you visit, you get something that is ready. They don't make the stuff as per your requirement. But that is what we are doing, and doing successfully for every client, personalizing as per your liking. The work, the workmanship, the art, the woodworking that we have is unique and very nice as well. Nice because this is not an easy work, and it is not visible that easily in such fine work in local stores. Most of the times, what you see in local store is a CNC work, and that has been done by machines. This is nice because this is handwork. work of an artisan, labor of an artisan, the mind of an artisan, something that has got a personal touch, the handwork that is not with the machines or the CNC routers or the computerized CAD CAD designing machines. This is personalized furniture, personal touch. The color part, if you are not looking for white, if you want antique gold or some other color, silver, copper, rose gold, any other color you're looking for, we can do that. If you like the natural wooden finish, that can also be done. Color is absolutely your choice. About the designing part again, you want a bigger unit, you want a smaller unit, you want 4 chairs with a bench. That concept is also very nice, a running concept these days. You can let us know. We'll make it as per your choice and requirement. The design in itself, we talk about the dining table top. The dining table top has got 3, 4 options. One is something like this, where you have the entire carved top. You place a glass and it's ready to use. If you don't want that, if you want a plain top, that can also be provided. If you are going to place any marble or onyx or granite on top of it, we can provide you a simple side on the top with an open top. You simply place a granite or a marble and it's ready to serve. Marble, glass, mirrors, granites, onyx we don't provide because these are fragile items, and other part is they are easily available everywhere. So if you call any glass guy, they'll come measure it and just place the glass on it anywhere in India and also out of India. In the past almost 470 plus videos that we have on YouTube now, I've shown you lot of work of ours, and all that work is displayed on the website also, arsonwoods.com, our website. For the pricing part, please visit website. There are several items posted with the prices. And if you have some personalization requests, please contact us. We'll be happy to provide prices as per your requirement. This one is going to Bangalore. Anywhere in India you want or outside India you want, you can contact us and we'll get the pricing as per your requirement. Artwork, handwork, and the artisan work. This is the quality of Arson, and hope and trust you like it. I request you, please put in a few comments. Let us know how we are doing. At least a little appreciation for the artwork of the artisans, I would really appreciate. Thank you so much.